What's the plan then, Martin?
Take photos.
Good idea. What we're gonna do? Go through here? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. We're at Cannock Chase again, but we're on a group meet. There must be 15 photographers have come. Last minute, Martin arranged it. Fantastic. But I've spotted a composition here, and it's just the light hitting this gnarly birch. It's this side lighter that's doing it for me. So I'm going to try and grab a quick image. So all I'm going to do is try and get a separation between the bottom of these birch. Focus on the birch. Right, I'm going to up the ISO because it's got a little bit of movement. ISO 500 so I can get a faster shutter speed. Nice bit of golden light hitting it. First shot in the bag. Now I've actually shot here before and even vlogged it because there's a tree here that I recognise. Which I got the sun coming through, which is quite nice. Just seen some deer all around this area. It's a super area. Oh, I thought I'd seen a stag then. Silhouetted, beautiful. Okay, first shot in the bag. Let's see if we can get a couple more. Then we're going to head into the woodlands. Got a few bloggers here. Like I say, meet up with Thumbs Up Photography. Literally, Martin put it out, I don't know, Wednesday night. This is Sunday morning. Had a fantastic turnout. Really, really good turnout. Superb. Okay. Got a good image in the bag, hopefully. Okay. Lost everybody now. I'm on my own. There was 15 guys, 15 photographers. Now there's none. God knows where they're gone. Okay. I might just walk around with the tripod a minute because I know there's another shot here, literally just behind us, that I took before, and I'm going to try and work it again. I think. Yeah. Well, we'll just carry the tripod around with me just for a minute, just to see. See if we can get a nice bit of side light on it. And some of these trees, or even a longer lens on the deeper landscape. So we'll go walk over here. Okay, so I've literally just moved 20-30 yards and I've come round the front of this tree, so we've got a nice bit of side light hitting the tree as a subject, but what's actually doing it for me is the light that's hitting the burnt bracken. It's beautiful burnt bronze and browns with patches of green in between, and then we've got this silver birch in the background there that's just sort of half losing its leaves, but they haven't actually changed yet because we've had a big storm, so a lot of them have been blew off. But I just like the scene, simple scene. I've got a tree coming in on the right hand side which I think I'm going to have to remove. If I move over I'll lose this foreground element, so I can't move over at this composition. But like I say, really it's the foreground that's pulling me into this image. Another nice shot, another one in the bag. So I've come across this beautiful scene with that light penetrating through the woodland. We're starting to get a little bit of atmosphere It's quite nice. The tree drew me to this location. This tree is just phenomenal. But it doesn't work as an image. Not yet. Not today. And I thought it was dead, but it's not. It's still going. But anyway, it's the light that's just trying to penetrate through this bracken and all this dense woodland behind. And it's that that's drew me to the image. We've got this broken branch from this tree that's stretching out, coming sort of from the left-hand corner into the image towards the light. I just like the shot, but I'm going to move on a little bit and see if I can find some other compositions, because I think this light's going to get better and better. So we've just had a little sort of conflab and chat, and the light's been quite harsh now, but it's actually starting just to get the odd cloud come over, which is just softening it a little bit, even though it's just gone harsh now again. But I've come over to this area of the Cannock Chase where there's some really interesting characters, and it's a place that I haven't shot and I only spotted it last week. So I wanted to come back and just sort of just get a feel for the place, where the light hits it, what time of the day, things like that. It probably could work all day, to be honest with you. With the right conditions, it definitely would, because of these superb characters. Got this character in front of me here, and I thought I've just got to try it. It's not isolating enough, to be honest, but it's worth getting the image. And you know what, the top of it's all blown out, things like that with the harsh light. I just quite like it. I think I love the shape of it, absolutely love the shape of it. Just need to, I'm going to move forward and see if I can catch this. It's got a beautiful, it's like an art shape. Let's go and have a go. That light is harsh where I am. Let's see if I can just get out of that light slightly. Get that. Oh, the light's creating the atmosphere just too much. Okay, just need to get out of the harsh light. As you can see, I'm right in it. What it's actually doing is affecting the image by blowing it out. But again, I quite like it in a way. Oh, you know what? I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I love the shape of the branch. It comes around like an art shape. It's the art. Need a name for it. I have to come up with it. Tell you what, need a name for this tree, this character of this tree. Leave a comment below. Let's see if we can name this super fantastic, majestic oak. a great morning. I think we're going to head for a cup of tea now, aren't we, Martin? Nice cup of tea? We're going to have a cup of tea. And we're actually moving on now. The light's actually a little bit better. It's gone a little bit flatter, which is typical. But I'm absolutely buggered. So I'm going to knock this one on the head. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.